In this video we have an important topic to discuss: how to find a good attorney. Whether you're facing legal issues, need assistance with a complex legal matter, or simply want to be prepared for any future legal needs, finding the right attorney can make all the difference. So, in this video, we'll walk you through some essential steps to help you find the perfect attorney for your specific needs. Let's dive right in. Segment 1: Determining your legal needs. The first step in finding a good attorney is to clearly identify your legal needs. Different attorneys specialize in various areas of law, such as family law, criminal defense, personal injury, immigration, and more. So, ask yourself, what type of legal assistance do I require? Once you've pinpointed your needs, it's time to move on to the next step. Segment 2: Researching attorney specialties. Now that you know what kind of attorney you're looking for, start researching local lawyers who specialize in the relevant field. Use online legal directories, bar association websites, and even personal recommendations from friends or family to compile a list of potential attorneys. Take note of their areas of expertise, experience, and any reviews or testimonials from past clients. This information will give you a better understanding of each attorney's track record and reputation. Segment 3: Checking credentials and experience. Before making a decision, it's crucial to check the credentials and experience of the attorneys on your list. Ensure they are licensed to practice law in your state and have no history of disciplinary actions. You can verify this information on your state's bar association website. Additionally, consider the number of years they've been practicing and their success rate with cases similar to yours. An experienced attorney with a proven track record can significantly improve your chances of a positive outcome. Segment 4: Initial consultations. Narrow down your list to a few potential candidates and schedule initial consultations. Many attorneys offer free or low-cost consultations to discuss your case and assess whether they can help you. During these meetings, be prepared with questions about their experience, approach to your case, potential strategies, and estimated costs. Remember, this is also an opportunity to gauge your comfort level and communication with the attorney. Segment 5: Assessing communication and attitude. Communication is key when working with an attorney. You want someone who is responsive, listens to your concerns, and explains legal matters in a way that you can understand. Assess their attitude and willingness to take your case seriously. A good attorney should be empathetic and genuinely interested in helping you, not just focused on the financial aspect. If you feel uncomfortable or rushed during the consultation, it may be a sign to explore other options. Segment 6: Understanding legal fees. Legal fees can vary significantly, so it's essential to discuss and understand the attorney's fee structure up front. Some attorneys charge a flat fee, while others bill hourly or work on a contingency basis. Make sure you have a clear understanding of what you'll be paying for, any additional expenses, and when the payment is due. Request a written fee agreement to avoid any misunderstandings later on. Segment 7: Seeking client references. If you're still undecided, consider asking the attorney for references from past clients. Speaking with someone who has worked with the attorney can provide valuable insights into their working style, communication, and overall satisfaction with their legal services. Remember, finding a good attorney is a crucial decision, and taking the time to research and gather information will benefit you in the long run. Conclusion: that wraps up our guide on how to find a good attorney. We hope you found this information helpful in your search for legal representation. Remember to take your time, do your research, and trust your instincts when making this important choice. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.